In this video, we will learn about the include preprocessor directive. C++ features something called preprocessor directives. These are instructions that the compiler will take into account before doing the actual compiling. We know that something is a preprocessor directive if it has a hashtag in front of it. For example, hashtag include is a preprocessor directive that is used for file inclusion, including code from one file in another. The name of the file to include comes inside of a pair of angular brackets. For example, typing the include preprocessor directive and then iostream inside of angular brackets imports the iostream header file into our code, giving us access to the standard input and output stream amongst many other things. Another key call out here is that there are two types of files that can be included in your C++ programs in this fashion. Some are standard files like iostream that are predefined for the language and we use to access standard functionality. We can also import files that are user-defined, that is, files which we wrote C++ code in that we want to reuse in another file. Programming in this way allows us to write more modular code and saves us from having to type the same function multiple times.